Yo, what it do? What it do, YouTube? Yo, why is this light off, bro? Let me see. See what's going on, man. Ooh wee, what's up? Finally, the brakes came in. Actually, I've had them for like a week now, but I just haven't had time to do them. So that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing today. I'm waiting for my boy Dan. He's in the bathroom right now. We're gonna head to my other man who's in the street doing some painting some calipers. So we're gonna pull up on him, and then he's just pretty much gonna help me set up my brakes, cause I know you guys seen it in the videos where I got the little brake light on, and so today we're gonna fix that finally. And then yeah, I also got another thing coming, which is the actually I think they came in. I gotta go pick them up though. We got the, where's Randy, bro? He's staying. Yo, I'm out, Randy. I got some new exhaust tips for the car as well. They came in today, but I gotta go pick them up, so I gotta put that on as well. He's just screaming over here to say shit. Yo, say what's up, bro. He said what's up to the people in the elevator instead of saying what's up to y'all. But you guys have seen this in the channel already, but look at it. There's my man here. Yo, this loud ass bus, bro. This is his shit. S3000. And then you guys know what's up. We got the beautiful BMW 440i right here, ready to go. These are the brake pads I'm gonna be putting on today. I think I have an extra brake line cable thingy. Who wants some ice cream? I'm not gonna lie, them ice cream trucks, things be scamming, bro. They be taxing crazy. It'd be like $6 for a cone, bro. I could go to the supermarket, just buy a whole pack for $6. My car is so dirty already, bro. I might have to get a car wash too while we're there. I don't know though. We'll see. See how long this takes, because I still gotta hit the gym. Still gotta do a couple things, you feel me? If you guys haven't yet and you guys want to be part of the Stick Gang, you guys already know what you gotta do, man. Just go down below, subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the video, and of course comment any other video ideas you guys want to see in the channel, so we can keep grinding and just, you know, pushing videos out for you guys. And yeah, so this week I actually have a couple videos planned out already. It's just a matter of doing them. Oh, he out. Is the car even warm? It should be. That's my man's right there, y'all. And the S3, right? Got the Audi S3. It's not tuned yet. We gotta work on that car still, but you know, he gotta get some money for that, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna do a lot to that car as well. And he pushing that beast. I don't wanna go too crazy. I mean, the car should be pretty warm already, so it should be fine, but you know. Would you guys get an Audi? Or I'm assuming, since you guys be watching me, you guys are like BMW gang, you feel me? But would you guys get an Audi? Like, Audis are type fast, bro. They're not really my style. Like, I don't really like Audis like that. Like, you know, it's a small car and they're fast, but I don't know, it's not really my thing. Like, if I didn't have a BMW, I'll probably have like an AMG, like a C43 AMG or a C6 or a 63 AMG. But I'm a BMW guy, you know what I'm saying? I would have an AMG though, like that's like my garage right there. I'm gonna have a, god damn, bro, I hate this shit, bro. I swear to God, this Bronx, yo, bro, I hate this shit, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie. But like I was saying, I like BMWs. My garage will be a BMW, AMG, and the Ferrari. That's like the goal right there, you know what I'm saying? Anything other than that, bro, I'm good. I don't need that. Like, that's it. That's the garage right there. And you got the AMG for like the family, then I'm gonna have the BMW for like me, you know what I'm saying? And then the Ferrari just like a, I don't know, like a going out car. Just, it's like my dream car. Is it this exit, bro? I don't even know what. Uh-oh, car asking for fuel already. That's why I told him to follow me, but he don't listen, bro. That's why I told him to follow me, but he didn't want to follow me. So no, Staples, this nigga. What? Oh, he's going to Staples, I think. I don't know where he going, I ain't gonna lie. I think he said Staples. Where you going?
Are you slow?
Huh?
Are you slow?
For what?
I was in front of you, so how the fuck you gonna turn and go somewhere without telling me where you going first, nigga?
Nigga, I was honking at you for like 2 minutes and blinking lights, man. Shit.
I can't hear you with the music, nigga.
Nigga, I was honking from. That's why I told you to follow me, nigga.
Yeah, nigga, I was following. I just went in front of you real quick, nigga. I'm about to go home.
I was trying to figure out if this was if that was nigga, it's your fault. I told you to follow me. You went by yourself. Cause I didn't know if this was the exit, so I was like, is this the exit? And then when I noticed it was, I started honking at you, but you did not listen.
Nigga, send me the address.
All right, that's his fault, cause he didn't listen to me. I was honking. I know y'all heard it. I was honking crazy, but he over here was, I don't know, he had his music blasting. He probably didn't even hear me or nothing. I don't even know the address to that, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Up that bit and spot. And spot. Oh, I got a 10 right here, actually. Is it? I don't, bro, I'm lost. I don't even know where this shit at, bro. All right, let's see what's up, man. I see a whole lot of BMW actions over here. Show you guys, bro. I don't like be mad loud over here, bro, but it's all good. That's a 440. I see 340, 440. I think it's a 440, 340. Let me see what's up. See a 340 right here, and you got the 440. Okay. Oh, he got the big boy exhaust.
Could have been.
What the fuck going on over here, man? What the fuck going on in this bitch?
Nigga, he had
working.
Good, bro.
What's goody? Chillin'? What you doing, bro? You done already?
With this
that shit probably.
That shit shoot. You know, open dump shoot flames out the bottom to the floor.
It depends though on what he
Son
running.
got the coupe version. Coupe and Grand. Oh, that shit's fire too. I didn't even know those rims fit on them cars.
Yeah, all M rims fit on the car.
Where? I didn't know they had the same lug nut pattern thing. Shit.
Yeah.
It don't change until you get to the G series.
The funny part, y'all, look, that color's the exact color I'm trying to do in my car.
That shit sounded crazy.
Yellow. Yo, I was just saying my shit dumb dirty, bro. You saw the same day I got a car wash. You're not very local.
You only have 3 bolts, right? In a lock?
I can take one off.
3 bolts. They be running on 4?
Yeah.
I mean, as long as it ain't 2.
4 is fine.
Niggas,
Anything as long as it's not 2.
I remember when my shit broke and I was running on 1 till I got home.
Nah, you're
That shit was sketchy as hell. I had the spacers and then I had the extended lug nut and it snapped.
I would have never even. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I would never even drove
that shit.
Nigga, bro, I didn't know what else to do, bro. I was not trying to pay that fucking tow. Hell no, I said They would have charged me like $400 just to take it home. How long did shit take you?
What?
How long did shit take you, both of those?
No.
You gonna get the sticker or you gonna keep it like that? Like the M sticker shit?
I want to put this. I was just telling him, I'm like, yo, I wish I had the sticker. I might put the sticker. Like when I get a surrender.
You mind me of it, bro, by the way?
No.
You good? Yeah, that's a color I was gonna do on my shit, cause I got the little crossbar shit.
No.
So I'm trying to do yellow too, but I haven't got around to do it yet. A whole bunch of BMW things over here, man. They're working on painting some calipers right now. I need to do my my brakes. I gotta take these wheels off. It looks like it's about to rain, but I hope not. I'm about to take these wheels off. That way we can get to the brakes so we can get the shit started, man. I ain't gonna lie, it started raining already. And I still haven't even took off the wheel, bro. You need to invest in a gun, bro. As soon as you get the money, if you're planning on doing stuff yourself to the car, bro, just get a gun, bro. It will save you so much time. So I just checked my pads just now, and they look like healthy, bro. Show them from this side real quick. So usually this shit will be like way lower, but it looks fine. Damn, this music is annoying. What I'm gonna do now is, I think it's just like a sensor thing. So I'm gonna just fix the sensor. I'm gonna put a new sensor on it, and hopefully that fixes that. But I think I'm gonna leave the tire off for right now, because I think I'm gonna wash it, and that's about it. So I'm gonna get on the other side, take the tire off, put that new sensor on, and then just do that. Yeah, ¿qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso?
You want me to put primer? Bet.
No.
Turn it gray.
Hey, I think my wheel hub is fucked. Because I try to put this in, but it doesn't go all the way through. Not the whole thing, but I'm saying like it doesn't screw all the way in.
This is a bolt.
But I was trying to check the control arm to see if it's fucked, but I don't even know.
Put the wheel on and shake the wheel. Shake it like this and like this. To see if it's messed up.
Alright, let me know. Pull up. I'm gonna
Yeah, put the wheel on.
Fuck! I was gonna leave it off so I could wash it.
Wash what?
Esa es una sesión, el caliper. That shit, niggas never wash that shit. I was gonna put that rim spray thingy. That's brake cleaner.
Yeah.
Hey, price.
That's brake cleaner.
Oh shit.
And use
Every
the
second
rag.
is $5, nigga.
What?
I said every second is $5.
Shut up. You use all my tools to fix your car, right? I ain't charge you shit. And I helped you.
Damn, nigga call me.
Nigga, that shit don't fix shit.
What do you mean?
That shit that I didn't clean nothing, bro.
Yes, it does. You just scrubbing like a baby.
Bro, look, I went in there and that shit's like a wow.
5mm speaker.
Huh? Nigga, what? That shit's like a million. Nah, it's not 10. I think it's what is it? What size is it? You know, that.
It look like a 10.
It's a 12, I think. Or it don't show?
It says KMWFS 514.
That doesn't fucking help me. Well, I think I have some more. I think I've ever had that. Damn, this one don't say either. Oh, 15.
That's what it says that.
I got 15. Cause this is the same as that. It's just that this one of these broke, so I got a new set.
See you in
Keys.
5 minutes, buddy. No, look at his stuff.
Yeah, nah, you know 15
Look
will
at his nuts.
be OD.
You got the good stuff.
I put out the what?
The good stuff.
Bro, you use your brush gun?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, those are good. That's your priest.
Yeah, I need those bolts will fit in my shit though. My bolts is trash. He got the OD. He got the long one.
Oh, the primer. I left it on. I get it.
He got the OD long ones though.
Yeah, those are good ones.
My son be hitting mad curves. He's the other curve. Taking a miss them curves. Damn, so I gotta put the wheel back on?
Yeah, buddy.
What the fuck happened to my rim? I should just get a wash right now, right? Look at this shit.
That's
Oh, you-
dirty as fuck.
Might as well, right? Follow me. Fuck it, might as well. Real quick on some shh. Check it out.
Stupid.
Huh?
You're supposed to spray with brake dust cleaner first.
I don't have, nigga.
I have.
So let me get some.
Go get it.
Just go get it.
$5 per spray, nigga.
$5 for a spray?
Yeah.
I'll give you a kiss for a spray.
The fuck? Let me get it.
I bet. Still recorded?
Now I'm recording again.
You gotta keep recording. Nigga, we're gonna be the next to Shay Frost, nigga. They're gonna be having 2 hour long. Nigga, you know what's crazy? Nigga, I watched this whole 8 hour last night, bro. No cap. Nah, a whole lot of fast guys over here. This nigga don't even got him up
This shit's
here.
dirty.
Nigga really gonna make some money today.
Oh, I'm watching.
Oh, you. I forgot. Nigga, nigga. I'm trying to work. Get some money too. Look at it's like the wheel. For me to actually clean it like good, I'm gonna have to like scrub that shit for mile long because it's like the brake dust is like stuck on it. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna just put these back. I try to clean it a little bit, but they still mad dirty. It's all good though. Look, this is why I told you to get these because it's mad easy to put your wheel on. And that's all you wrote, folks. Yo, Nelvin, what's the torque on this shit? I forgot. 100? Nah, it's higher than that. It's definitely higher than that. It's like 120, 130. Said 100. He tweaking. I know it's not that. Watch. I'll do 120. I'm slow. Bro, you're not getting me right now. You getting me right now?
Yeah, nigga.
I gotta torque this down to 120. Nigga, Randy had this shit max to the top. Like OD max. And that's it, yeah? Now I gotta go do the other side. And hopefully I get my brake light completely done or off. So I bought this for nothing. So I'm gonna return that. Get my $100 and some back that I could use for something else. I'm gonna go take up the other tire though. I ain't about to record that because I ain't gonna lie, this video's already long. You know, I'm getting some minutes, but still. Yeah, I don't wanna watch all that, so I'm gonna see you in a few. Just finished here at, in the street, honestly, with the brakes. I didn't have to change the brakes, thank God. It was just my brake line that was like completely ripped. Actually, I still have it over here. I can show you guys what I'm talking about. So, this is one piece of my brake line, and then the other one went somewhere else right here. This. So I guess that was ripped, and that's why I was getting the brake light, because my brakes, guys, like I was telling you, I just switched them, so they can't be out completely. But other than that, I'm about to be out of here. I'm gonna say see ya to all these boys, and I'm out. All right, well, I don't have that light anymore, but I do have fuel reserve light. They want me to pull gas, but I finished too late and I need to hit the gym, so I'm gonna get something to eat real quick and then I'm gonna be out to the gym. But other than that, I mean, that was pretty much it. Nothing crazy. I thought it was gonna be more work, but it wasn't, which is fine with me, honestly, because I really didn't want to change the brakes unless I had to. So, but I don't have to do that, so we should be fine. But I'm gonna catch y'all later though. But I hit to get some food, and then hit the gym and shit. Matter of fact, I'm about to throw you on this little POV game real quick, you know what I'm saying? The video doesn't stop until I say stop, you know? Hey, but thank goodness I didn't really have to change the brakes, so it wasn't that bad. But I'm starving though, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Whoever in that 330 in front of me, they jamming right now, bro. I don't want to go too crazy around here. One, I don't know the area. Two, I don't know if there's any potholes, like bad potholes, you feel me? But we still out here though. The only thing with them pops and bangs, bro, I swear that it wastes more gas. Yeah, I'm trying to see what I can eat real quick on the way to the gym. Maybe I'll get some fast food or something. Oh, that's a bad one. Oh, okay. Oh, police. Leave me alone. Oh. Estoy dispuesta. Maybe I should go right in there and get a car. Oh, that's just oil change, I think. I thought it was a gas. I thought it was a car wash. I didn't get a car wash, guys, because as you guys can see, it looks kind of gloomy out, and like it looks like it's gonna rain some more at some random points of the day. So I'm not gonna get that car wash. I'm gonna just wait till like Thursday or Friday, one of those days. Yeah, we wilding right now, I ain't gonna lie. There's a camera over here though. Oh, I think this is where I came and got my exhaust, my resonator taken off. I think it's over here. Oh, it is. So where is this? So I remember. Is it here? Let me see. Complete service, auto. Yeah, what? No, it wasn't. I'm tweaking. Never mind. Bro, I don't even know how I missed the drive-through. That's a weird ass drive-through, bro. So I guess we're gonna go inside. Is this a way in right here? I don't even know, bro. Oh, it's locked. Oh, it's open. No, it's not. There's nobody in here really, so we should be alright. I don't wanna lie. It's a little weird holding a camera where people are at. But it's all good though. Alright, can I get a McChicken and a small fries? Yeah. Man, I just got my little McChicken I was telling you about. Some fries. Nothing heavy, because I'm gonna eat after. I just wanted something right now because I haven't ate anything. I'm starved. Man, I finally got my food, bro. I might eat this real quick, y'all, and then head to the gym. It's already getting late, bro. I'm obviously still outside. It's like 6, but it just looks ugly out, but it's all good. We're gonna hit the gym, eat this real quick, and I'm gonna catch y'all later. All right, you guys, just got to the gym. About to just go in there, get a quick workout in, because I got some other stuff I gotta take care of after the gym. So just trying to be in there for 45 minutes, an hour max, and then go from there. But if you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, man. Join the Sticks gang. We got a lot of content for you guys coming, and we're just gonna try to get our production and everything like that just better slowly, you know what I'm saying, to try to make the best videos for you guys. So if you guys enjoy it, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe, comment, and all that. But with that being said, guys, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.